friends, you will not receive notification that you were added by PJ Primalion in the team members Dubai. Walang ganon. Okay? They will not know it. So ngayon, pwede ka rin mag-create ng list na negative sa uno. Mga ganon. Like for example, you have a friends, but you cannot afford to unfriend them. So ang gagawin mo, gumawa ka na lang ng list ng puro lahat na ayaw makita yung post mo na uno. Para every time you post about uno, itong gagawin mo. For example, magpo-post ka na. Okay? Let's say, itong post mo na to, okay? Let's say, yan na yung post. Okay? You want it na yung post mo is makikita ng lahat ng friends mo except ng list na yun. Nakaka nyo? Di ba dito, may nakalagay dito, public, correct, friends, only me, tapos may custom. I-click mo yung custom. Sa custom, let's say, lagay mo dito friends. Lahat ng friends mo, makakakita ng post mo, except, let's say, yung list na yon. Team, let's say, ito yun, di ba? Team members Dubai. So, pag pinost mo to, yung post mo, that specific post of yours, will only be visible to all your friends, except those members or friends of yours under the Team Members Dubai list. You get it? Okay. Or otherwise, pwede mo rin sabihin, you can also accept somebody in your post. Let's say you have a boss and you're doing it part-time and you don't want your boss to know your activity on Uno. So mag-post ka ngayon ng mga party-party ng team mo with your group, right? Then after that, ayaw mo makita ng boss mo. Gagawin mo, post this one, then friends, and friends of or friends lang to make it safe. Then make sure lang na yung boss mo walang friend mo ha. Baka makita niya sa newsfeed. Okay? Lalagay mo dyan yung pangalan ng boss mo na yan or sino yung gusto mong ayaw makakita, then save changes, then post that information or yung post mo na yan. Okay? So, ano pa yung mga gamit nito? Magagamit mo rin to, let's say, we outline sometimes, it's very difficult for us, to bembang our downlines harap-harapan. Tama? So, ang gagawin mo minsan, magpaparinig ka, ganon. Pero minsan, sa pagpaparinig mo, not only your downlines can read it, but everybody. So, what are you going to do is, kung sino yung gusto mong paringgan, yun lang ang pwede mong sabihin mo, ipapakita ko lang to yung post ko na to sa ganitong mga tao na downlines ko na matitigas yung ulo. Ha? Pwede mong sabihin ganito. Let's say, custom ka ulit. Okay? Then, tapos, pagdating mo sa custom, sabihin mo naman na, eto, okay, hindi makikita ng lahat ng friend ko. Okay? Let's say, friends. Okay, wait. Only the person, let's say siya, okay, siya lang, at itong tao na to ang gusto mong makakita. Okay? Okay, ito lang. Okay? So, share only with these two. So, pag kinlik mo yung changes, pag pinost mo yun, ang makakabasa lang silang dalawa. Diba? Kung yung dalawa na yun is gusto mong bembangin pero hindi mo masabi ng harap-harapan, hindi indaan mo sa ganitong paraan. Ayos, sabi na apply rin eh. Hindi naman. That is not the purpose actually. But if gusto mong gawin, it's okay. Yes, apply.
Kapag binago mo yung settings, yung previous na post mo makikita ba nila o hindi? Yung post lang na yun?
Yung post lang na yun. Hindi nila yung makikita. Parang gustong gamitin niya apply doon di mamaya. Okay? So yun siya. And at the same time, ito, gagawin natin. Kasi, all the strategies we will be discussing today is all about prospecting, right? So you need to create an advanced list. Okay? You need to create list for prospects, prospect list, customer list, product inquiry list, ano pa ba, sample list, if you want to give samples, because I will give you also a strategy, one of the sessions, how to offer samples to your existing friends on Facebook. Okay? So, because that will be your one way of inviting them. And another one is, anything you want to create in your friends. So, let's say yun yung apat na list. So, gawin mo na siya. So, prepare your account. So, tapos na tayo sa profile, timeline cover, or cover photo, and the settings, and the list. So now, you are ready for the next step. Ang next step natin, ito na yung maghahanap tayo ngayon ng mga kakausapin. So connecting with people through Facebook. So this is now the start of the strategy of surfing the limited prospects online in Facebook. I believe some of you are familiar already about it, but as I've said, this session is is for beginners. So strategy number 1 is using Facebook group. Okay? Who among you here are joining Facebook group? Okay. Upline, what are you doing in Facebook group? May pinupost ka ba? Or ano lang yung purpose mo doon? Sino dito nagpo-post ng product na buy na for sale, PM me for orders? Can you raise your hands? Okay? May mga ilan? Effective naman? Yes. Kasi doon nyo ipopost sa buy and sell lang din ng mga Facebook group. Sino naman dito yung nagpo-post ng join my network marketing company, it's a pioneering, earn, blah, 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 with a new system, 4x4 by 100, you earn 450,000 pesos per month. May mga gumaganon ba dito? Okay. What's the result upline? May mga nag-PPM, may nag-PPA in din, or PM lang. Pay in din, okay? Percentage, batting average? Starting pa lang. Pero okay naman. So well and good. As long as it is effective, continue doing it. But I will teach you the professional way of approaching people inside the group. Okay? So because our purpose here is to connect to people na targeted. Number 1, sino ba yung mga gusto nyong ma-meet or maging business partner? Number 1, business-minded like you. Number 2, networkers like you. Tama niyo siya? And regardless what company is that person. Kasi sabi ko nga, people will be sustained in this business not because of the company, but because of the relationship within the group. Would you agree with me? Yes. Kasi nababalitaan niyo nga bakit ba maraming lumilipat? It's not because of the company sometimes, but because of what? Relationship. So that is why, that is the weakness of other company, then that would be your strength. Tama? Hindi ko kayo tuturuan manguha ng ibang mga networkers sa ibang company, pero pag yan ang strength mo, gawin mo. Nawa nyo siya, but in a professional way. How? Okay, step by step. Step number 1, join in groups. Okay? There are keywords targeted when searching for groups to join. Okay? Network marketing, MLM, work from home moms. If your target prospects are mothers or just working for home-based business, or home business. So yun yung mga keywords na pwede mong i-search. If you are targeting for people who are business-minded, who are doing business, and you can also target people inside the buy and sell group because those people are buying and selling. So therefore, they're already open-minded for online marketing. Am I right? So ang gagawin mo, kakausapin natin sila. Okay? Once you are already inside the group, mayroon tayong gagawin. Okay? I will show you how to search it for those who don't know how to do it. Ang gagawin mo lang, i-type mo lang siya dito, magsi-search ka lang, right? Let's say network marketing in Dubai. So those who have other business, you can use this strategy. So hindi mo lang ito magagamit sa uno. So here's a network marketing business, but even in your other businesses, if you're planning to do other business. Marketing Dubai. Ganon. Let's say, magsi-search tayo ng mga group na may keyword na network marketing Dubai. Then, i-click mo to sa pinakababa. Okay? Then after that, you go to groups. Once you're already in the group, makikita mo na dito yung mga group na may pangalan na Network Marketing Dubai or Dubai Network Marketing. Let's say, ito yung sample. At first, pwede kang mag-join sa group. Okay? There are 3 securities in a group. Pwedeng open. Open group, ibig sabihin, kahit hindi ka pa naka-join, nakikita mo na yung content ng group inside and the members. Pag sinabi mong closed, you can only see the members, the content and the members, but you cannot post. Pag sinabi mong secret, you cannot see the content, only the members. So what are you going to do if you're already inside the group? Once you join, Huwag ka munang mag-recruit. Don't post anything about join my network marketing company, this is pioneering, blah, blah, blah. Okay? What are you going to do is to collect prospects, tama? You go to the members list of the group. Then once you are already in the list of members, kasi this is group for Network Marketing Dubai, right? Then you go to join date. Okay? So when you are already in the join date, makikita mo dyan yung kakasali lang sa group. There might be newbie in network marketing who needs what? Guidance, mentor like you. Nakaya siya? So nakikita niyo na kayo yung strategy. Because you are a network marketing professional, so you look for someone who needs your assistance. But this time, walang recruitment munang mangyayari. Ang mangyayari is all about relationship building. Okay? So once you're already in the list of the members, find those who just newly joined the group or anyone na gusto mong i-add. You can check their profile. Hindi ito pabilisan. Okay? Kasi pag mabilis kang mag-join sa group, mabablock ka. Dapat 20 groups lang ang sinisalihan mo every hour. Kasi sa sobrang dami ng group na, alam niyo, ma-overwhelm ka. I'm telling you, after the seminar, yung iba dito, dahil lang na-overwhelm, ginawa, the following the next day, wala na. I suggest, alam mo yung hinay-hinay lang. Ha? Okay. So, after that, pag may gusto ka nang i-communicate, i-add mo ba? Hindi. Hindi mo muna i-add. Okay? Yan ang mali sa atin pag pumasok sa group. Tama mali? Add. Kasi takot ka maubusan ng prospect. Ay, kasi tinuruan na kayong lahat. Mamaya, paglabas yung mamaya, hala, add kayo ng add. Baka maunahan ako. Remember, hindi nga to. It's all about relationship. Kahit nauna ka pang mag-add sa kanya, but you don't know how to communicate to the person, you don't know how to relate to the person, then it's useless. Am I right? So what are you going to do is, you message first the person. Eto ha, be ethical. Never add a person if you will not ask for permission. Never post in the timeline of the person if you don't have permission. Yun ang mga maling ginagawa ng karamihan nag-online marketing, di ba? Okay. Kasi akala nila okay lang. Hanggang sa binlock na siya. So ngayon, pag nandun ka na, ini-message mo sila. I know you know already how to send a message to the person, right? Pag nandun ka na, ang message mo, this is the sample of the script. O ito yung pinakamahal na part ng training actually. Diba? Yung script. Kasi because this is my intellectual property. But I'm sharing it to you for free. Diba? So that's why you need to make use of it. Diba? I'm telling you, in Manila, you cannot attend this kind of training for free. Because when I started doing online marketing, I even buy ebooks, applications, attend seminars, thousands of pesos I spent for me to learn online marketing. But right now, ewan ko na lang pag hindi nyo pa ito ginamit. Okay? So, sample script. Diba? May nakita ka na. Target mo na siya. Gusto mo na siyang i-add. Huwag muna. Message muna. Hi, Mer. Si Mer pa yung sinample ito. Apply Mer. Hi, Mer. Nakita kita through a network marketing group. Pwede mong sabihin in Dubai. Huwag niyong iintutong kopyahin yung script ha. Kasi mamaya, pag parehong tao ang message nyo, pare-pareho kayo ng message. Ha? Huwag masyadong halata. So just create a new script. Just make it as your basis. You can create a customized script. Remember, I saw you through a network marketing group and I love the way you post your thoughts in Facebook. I thought it would be awesome to connect with you and hopefully collaborate on some business ideas. Okay lang ba mag-send sa'yo ng friend request? You can send one if you'd like. Talk to you soon. Okay ba? Okay ba na script? So ang gagawin mo lang, mag-join sa group, mag-message ng mag-message ng mag-message. O gano'n lang kasimple. May daily activity ka na ngayon. Hindi ka na mauubusan ng kakausapin. Kahit nasa trabaho ka, pag may idle time, punta ka ulit sa group, message ko ulit ng message, ng message, ng message. Diba? So you're maximizing na your time. Ito yung magiging activity mo ha, to review for our first strategy sa Facebook group. Join the group, yung mga keywords na may network marketing, online marketing, anything in your mind, you can explore Facebook. Number 2, join 20 groups per hour. The more group na masalihan mo, the more chances of winning, di ba? Sabi nga eh. So dito, pasipagan, patsagaan. Okay? Dito natin i-apply ngayon yung sinasabing network marketing is a numbers game o pananihan. Correct? Hindi ka naman, para hindi ka ma-block, just connect with 20 people in the group per hour. Huwag kang mag-message ng sobra sa 20 per hour. Kasi iba-block ka ng Facebook. Number one, you are not yet friends. Kasi pag hindi kayo friend, at nagme-message ka more than 20 per hour, Facebook will consider it as what? Spam. Okay? Spamming is not allowed. Send the message and follow them. Follow nyo sila sa Facebook nila after you send the message so that ma-notify sila that PJ Primalion followed, ganito, ganito. Followed you on Facebook. Then after that, the new feature of Facebook in messaging, because before, when you message someone who are not a friend of yours, hindi niya makikita kaagad, di ba? Pumupunta sa other inbox. Pero ngayon, mayroon ng tinatawag na message request. Have you noticed that one?
Yes.
If somebody not your friend will message you, magno-notify na siya ngayon sa inbox mo. You have one message request. So yun ang mangyayari pag nag-message ka ngayon. Makikita niya. So ngayon, qualify. Qualify those who will allow you to connect with them. If they will allow you to connect with them, then that's the best part for you to communicate. Okay? Never send friend request unless they give permission or send you one first. So this is our ethics in doing Facebook marketing. Have you learned?
Yes.
So, eto, strategy number 1. Tell me if I'm too fast kasi babagalan ko or uulitin ko ulit. Ano? Okay. So, next strategy is using Facebook graph search. Okay? Yung using Facebook graph search, ito yung saan yung search bar ng Facebook na ginagamit natin kanina. But, mayroon siyang more advanced feature na pwede natin gamitin to enhance more by looking some other prospects in different field. Like for example, let's say, ba't nandiyan na siya na wala? Okay. Graph search. Okay. Like for example, targeted kasi we will be targeting prospects who have the same mindset with us, right? Like for example, who is the business icon or famous na motivational speaker na pina-follow mo na maging mentor mo sa mga, di ba, mga motivations. If you're done, you're reading their posts, gano'n. Let's say Robert Kiyosaki, right? Brian Tracy, John Maxwell, Eric Worre, Zig Ziglar, Brian Tracy, and many others, right? So ngayon, ang gagawin mo simple lang. Have this in mind that those people who are following these people have the same interest with you. Tama mali. So therefore, pwede natin silang targetin. Paano? Okay, you just type here. Okay? People, okay, who are not my friends, or pwede mo rin yung gawin sa friend mo. Kasi sa sobrang dami mong friends, hindi mo alam kung sino yung mga pareho mo ng interest. Correct? Let's say, follower din pala siya ni Robert Kiyosaki. He is a follower of the Rich Dad Poor Dad principle, but he's not doing network marketing. Pero hindi mo alam. For a couple of years na mag-friend kayo sa Facebook, hindi mo alam. Pwede mong i-search dito. Pwede mong ilagay dyan, people. Wag mo lang lagyan ng who are not my friends. Para pati yung friends mo lalabas. So, sabihin na natin, people who like Robert Kiyosaki. Yes, ma'am. Pwede talaga to. Okay? So, click mo to. Then, you go to people. Okay? So, sa account na to, isang account ko to, yung binubuksan ko ngayon is isang account din. Ha? So, eto yung mga non-friend ko na mga nag-like sa page ni Robert Kiyosaki. Baka isa ka din doon, diba? Kasi hindi ko ina-add dito yung ibang Mahirap nang may kompetensya. Hindi naman. Kung mapapansin mo, lahat nandyan para mga networkers na lahat, di ba? So therefore, pag may nakita ka dyan ngayon na alam mo yun, na networker from other company maybe, then at the same time, follower siya din ni Robert Kiyosaki, you can connect to the person. Tama? So just think of something na yung mga tao na nilike yung page na to. Tama? O ano pa? Let's say, you want to target someone. Ito kasi, specific yung yung target natin. I mean, target talaga siya. Right market, right prospect. Tama? Kasi pareho kayo ng mentality. So mag-isip ka ng iba-ibang keywords. Okay? Anything you want to search in the graphic search. Then tapos, ganito. Sa mga nagbebenta ng products, who among you are selling Nutrifab? Okay. Pwede nyo itong gamitin. People who like, ang ibig sabihin ng like dito, page ha, na nilike nila, na pinafollow. Okay? People who like, let's say, weight loss tips. Ganon. Pwedeng ganon. This is just a sample. So in short, if you can search someone who are interested or who are following a page about weight loss, therefore this person is interested to lose weight. Right? So ngayon, pag kinlik mo yan, you can find people here who are specifically who wants to weight loss. Nakakaya na siya? So iba-iba yan dyan. Diba? May Filipino and non-Filipinos, right? So all of them are interested, or I mean follower, of a weight loss tips page. Okay? So anong gagawin mo? I-add agad? No. May script ulit tayo. Okay? So yun ang exciting na part yung script, di ba? Anong sasabihin? Okay, yung script, you can create your own script. Pwede rin dito i-search mo, people who likes, whitening tips, or mga anything na kung ano nasa isip ko that is related to our business. Okay? Anything who likes business, news, something like that, and all. Okay? So ngayon, if you found already your interest na you want to connect with them, the next part is the script. What are you going to say with those people? So script ulit tayo. Okay. By the way, before maging effective or makapag-search ka using English, you need to set your, para maging enable sa, you go to setting, then you set your language into English US. Okay? Kasi pag naka-UK yan, hindi niya babasahin yung search mo. Dapat US. Then after that, save changes, then you are good to go. Then, ito na yung sinabi ko kanina, people are not my friends who work at this. You can also target people working from other MLM company. People who are not my friend, who are working with, yun, gold something, gano'n. Pwede yung targetin. Then tapos, script. Okay? Hi Mayor, I'm just having fun with Facebook graph search today. Tapos, nakita kita and I came across your profile and I love what you're doing. I thought it would be awesome to connect with you and hopefully collaborate on some business idea. Okay lang ba? I-add kita or you can add me first. Okay? Pag yung mga whitening and weight loss naman, palitan mo lang yung script. Wag naman ganyan, na-copy-paste mo pa rin. So, that is why communication skill is important in our business. Okay? So, have you learned about graphic search? Yes. Next strategy is, this is still again looking for prospects. Find friends. Okay? Maghahanap tayo ng mga friend ulit or hindi friend. So ito yung isa sa mga tinuro ko din last time. But I believe some of you here was not able to know this or to understand how to use this one. Punta ka dito sa yung nakikita mong may notification pag may nag-a-add sa'yo, then makita mo diyang find friends. Pag kinlik mo yung find friends, lalabas to. Okay? May makikita ka diyang name, hometown, current location, your secondary school, your friend, college or university, employer, university, postgraduate. So those are the specific fields we can use. So mamaya, I will show you how I'm using that to expand my network in other country. sample tayo. Sample. Okay, click dito. Then, find friends. Okay? So, pagdating mo dito, gagawin mo ganito. Let's say, I want to search someone who is not yet my friend, na kababayan ko, and we are currently in Dubai. Eto, medyo hindi siya targeted. Pero, may common ground. Mamaya, I will explain why. Example, Ma'am, where is your hometown in Philippines? Cagayan de Oro City, right? Cagayan de Oro, Philippines, right? This is your hometown. So I will be searching for somebody from Cagayan de Oro who is currently working in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. So automatic, Facebook will show you everyone who are from Cagayan de Oro and currently working in Dubai. Okay? So ngayon, ang dati kasi, na ginawa nyo siguro, nung napunta kayo dyan, add ka agad. Sinong na-block dito nung nag-add? Right? Kasi sa sobrang overwhelmed, ang dami, baka maunahan ako ng ibang taga-Cagayan de Oro, di ba? So ngayon, a-add ka. No. Ano ulit ang unang gagawin? Message. Number one, the best part of messaging the person is you have common ground. You came from the same place. You are working in the same place. So now, hindi ko na sinulat yung script. Kasi nakita niyo naman na yung format eh. Sabihin niyo ulit, hi friend. Not friend. Let's say first name. Let's say ito. Hi June. I'm just having fun searching on Facebook and I saw you. At nakita ko you came from the same place. From Cagayan. Asa ka sa Atua, sa Cagayan. Diba? Bisaya na yun, right? You speak your language. Then after that, that's the first strategy to connect to the person right away. You can establish trust kasi pareho kayong Bisaya, di ba? Then after that, and of course, nalaman ko rin that you're still also working in Dubai. Saan ka dito sa Dubai? Okay lang ba na i-add kita so that, nakuha niyo yung idea? So ngayon, gawa ka lang ng isang script. Then, out of this, sendan mo na 20 per hour. Ha? So yung iba dyan mamaya, dapat mauna ako mamaya. Maubusan ako. Hindi po kayo maubusan. Nakuha niya siya? Hindi po kayo maubusan. Because sabi ko nga, don't have the mentality of scarcity. Okay? Forget about scarcity mindset. Abundant mindset dapat. Okay? So pwede rin dyan mag-search ka ng mga kasame mo ng school. Diba? Maghanap ka ngayon. Let's say you graduate from University of the Philippines. Mindanao State University. Then, they are graduate from Mindanao University. Then, they are now currently in Dubai. So, common ground is same school and working in Dubai. So, para mas targeted, isa-isa mong tingnan yung profile picture. Or yung profile. If they are doing business, if they are positive people, So, kung sino yung pasok sa taste mo, yun lang ang sendan mo ng message. Correct? So, this time, mas lalong specific. Okay? So, this part of searching prospect is very, very effective because this is how I started building my network outside the country. Let's say my first outside the country is Hong Kong. So, a month before, gumanon-ganon na ako, as nag-message ako ganon-ganon, di ba? So, luckily, may mga napapajoin. Nakanya siya. So, may nakakausap. So, ang ginagawa ko palagi, yung mga kababayan ko because I can easily connect with them. I can speak with my language, Madali ako magchika-chika sa kanila. So, that is why communication skill is still important. Yes, Atla.
Kapag makumbad same search.
Yes, same lang po. Okay? Ang hindi lang magkapareho minsan is yung mobile at saka desktop. But, same lang po. You can also search for your same family name, di ba? Makipagpariente ba? Let's say, from Dubai, then, what is your family name, ma'am? C-U-R-I-O-S.
Without S.
Koryo.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's say, yung may mga name na Koryo who are in Dubai. See? Nakita mo na sila.